What did the plate say to the other plate? Dinner's on me. Welcome.
Okay, you're doing this. Oh, I got it. It's a miracle. I'll just come up and hold it then? Or you want me to bring my ladder and go over that way? You hold it. Happy mower.
Getting high now.
Yeah.
So good. You're weighing it out, eh?
Yep.
That's
Anyway.
it helps.
Yeah.
You blind or something? I was looking like, why are you where you are?
Hey. Can you just put it in my hand? I'm too tired for this nonsense. Now.
What'd you say?
You want to get off? Are you getting measurement here, Rick? Throttle it.
It was like doing aerobics trying to
Take a measurement. On this ladder for the first next view, and I'll switch to the yeah.
That was a little crappy.
You need to go buy new clothes because I'm too fat now.
Because why?
I'm too fat now. Eat all the maple syrup.
Oh,
The more we produce, the more we seem to eat.
yeah. You know where it's going.
Reach my butt.
Here's where the maple syrup goes.
Ow! That way.
That's what I was thinking.
I like it.
You got the right one, baby.
With 100%
Hey, Joe, still alive?
I don't know.
He can't be.
450 years old. Perfect. But then when you start screwing. Get in there.
That can work out.
But
If the batteries fit. There's that one.
ready? Put one in just to be safe.
I think it should be. Smells so good. Ready?
Ready. Let's go.
Rah, 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 rah.
Gaga.
Rama Rama ma Gaga ooh la la.
Lady Gaga.
You good,
Wrong
eh?
way. Ah! Frig. Idiot.
What happened?
You dropped it and my thumb hit off the ladder. No, that's not my thumb. It's my middle finger.
Well, there, now you can
Give
stop
that.
giving it to me. Awesome. Yep. Get boil a little bit of that stuff.
Mama won't get up. Daddy won't get up. Regan.
Lady Gaga.
That'll help hold it.
Sketchy.
What do you do?
Almost fell.
Push it my way. There. Here you go.
We're done. We're done. We're finally done that stupid ceiling today.